So the side that we're actually looking at is the driver's side rear. And as you can see, it is pretty much shot to shit. And that's kind of what I'm wondering, if this car is even worth saving. Also, see if I can get a better view of the rest of it. It kind of, yeah, let's see. And then there's this side that isn't really too bad. However, it does kind of get a little worse. Let's see. Here's the outside view. Sorry about this camera fumbling around. Trying to use this light I got rigged up and whatnot. Let's check inside of here. Inside, I don't know if you can really see this or not, but there's that. As you can kind of see, gotta gut it. Plans on doing stuff, and then there's that hole where that drain hose goes and whatnot. And then on the other side, it's the same thing. And then I also found out about that, which I'm kind of pissed about, but that's neither here nor there. But yeah, that's what's going on. And those are pretty much my questions.